Women are amazing whichever body type and shape they are. I endeavor to encourage the Rubenesque woman to embrace her curves. I'm Yelena Femi, working as a freelancer creative pattern cutter in well-known fashion houses. The basic size for model is a size 8. I began my career as a bespoke tailor, doing clothes for private client. Now, for many years, I have been working on collection for catwalks. I want to bring my skill to make clothes for the real woman and the real world. Over the past 100 years, the position of women is not offering them what they are looking for. So, I decided to launch Dear London, a new approach to clothes for the fashion-conscious professional woman. As I spent my years as a tailor, I can tell what shape a woman is by sight and what clothes will suit her. This is the secret to making the most of any female body. The collection is aimed at the optical illusion of changing body shape of the contemporary woman, the woman who wants to feel confident and capable at work by looking stylish and beautiful. We must keep up with the changing role and shape of women, and I have spent the last year prototyping, designing and making clothes for curvaceous women. Unfortunately, the UK runway has not caught on to the fact that this is the niche market. At this point, I came to kickstart a project to ask you to be part of the curvy body movement. All I need is the funds to be able to bring clothes to the shelves of the high street, where at the moment many curvaceous women struggle to find clothes that fit well, suit the role they are carrying out. And finally, together we can change this, bringing curvy women straight into Rubenesque age so they can continue to look and feel like a goddess.